my aim is to solve for a quadratic equation in x whose roots are negative 3 over 4 and 2 over 5. Okay, so let's go through the solution of the question together. There are several ways to solve this question, but one of the very smart and easiest way to do it is to recall the general equation, or maybe I'm going to solve it using the two different methods you should know, but I'll use the shorter method first, then show you the other process or procedure of doing it. So if you can recall this general equation, given alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, if alpha and beta are the roots of the given quadratic equation, then the general equation would be equal to x squared minus the sum of the roots alpha plus beta, all right, plus the product of the roots alpha beta equal to 0. So this would be the general equation, the general quadratic equation, assuming alpha and beta are the given roots of the equation. So if you are using this method to solve this question, the first thing you should do is take alpha to be negative 3 over 4 and take beta to be 2 over 5. All right, and after doing this, you get the sum of alpha and beta, so that will be negative 3 over 4 plus 2 over 5. When you add up these fractions and you do your addition correctly, right, so add those fractions correctly. Negative 3 by 4 plus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 should get, your answer should be equal to negative 7 by 20. So try and do this calculation, confirm that the answer here is actually correct. And next, you take the product of the roots, that is negative 3 by 4 times 2 by 5, 2 divided by 5. So, and this would be equal to negative 6, or let's break this down, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. So that will be equal to, since we've broken down to the lowest term to some low term, where's my eraser? The eraser is not appearing, I don't know what's wrong with it. So since we've broken down, so this is going to be negative 3 by 10. Now you have the products and you have the sum of the roots of the equation. So all you need to do now next is to substitute into the equation above, as x squared minus the sum is negative 7 over 12 over 20 rather, negative 7 by 20 x, oh sorry, I omitted the, there should be an x here, please. So x plus the product, which is negative 3 by 10, okay, equal to 0. So can I go further to simplify. So here is x squared plus 7 over 20x, okay, plus not plus, it should be minus, because plus and minus is minus 3 over 10 equal to 0. Alright, so here is the equation, but we would not like to leave it like this. We don't want to see fraction. We don't like seeing fraction in the quadratic equation. So the simple thing you need to do is multiply each term by the LCM of the denominator, which is 20. So here is 20x squared plus, when you multiply 20 by 7 over 20, your answer will be 7x. Multiply 20 by 3 over 10, that will be 2. 2 times 3 by 6 equal to 0. So this is the final equation whose roots are minus 3 over 4 and 2 over 5. So this is when you make use of this method, the alpha, when you assume alpha beta are the roots of the equation and you make use of this equation to solve for the given the original quadratic equation. So what other method can you use in solving an equation like this? What other method can we deploy to solve equation like this? I'll talk about that method in the next video. So thank you for watching.